Right, bit of a weird one this morning, bit of a different video for you. Hopefully I can take you along for the ride. I don't know yet, obviously, because I'm still sat in my van.
Alright, we're streaming. The last test, I was testing some finalization enhancements to the code. So whenever I stop the YouTube video, then it finalizes properly, because I notice after I stop the streams, the YouTube still thinks the stream is live for a long time, similar to when an app crashes when it's in the middle of streaming. So I added a whole bunch of finalization optimization, and it broke streaming the first time. We removed it and then added it again, and in the last test it actually didn't execute because there was a wake lock error where we tried to release the stream twice and it crashed. So that probably prevented the finalization optimization that I've added from even working at all. So it was behind the scenes. That's why I have the crash was behind the scenes. I didn't even know it crashed. I just knew that it didn't work as far as the app still, the YouTube still shows the stream is live, maybe even to now. Let's see if I got more than one live, showing live. So maybe it finally wrapped up that other one. But now I'm going to stream a couple more minutes. I'm going to stream about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to end the stream. And then, see, I have another Claude code. I mostly code with a Claude code that's in my code space. But I also have a Claude Code instance running on my actual development machine. And I have it running a live stream right now that is connected to this phone, gathering all the debug data. So once I finish this test, I'll go through the cycle of letting CC2, is what I call them, command prompt Claude, to gather all the debug data and then do its own analysis too of everything that's going on. And then I give all that debug data and CC2's analysis to CC1, which is code space Claude. And then I add my analysis to it from everything that I observe during the process and the way I want things to go. And then I have them give me a lot of options. Sometimes I'll make them do a massive search of the internet, using everything we know so far about the problem to create search queries to guide itself on a guided search, long search of mostly high-level developer forums and developer resources, and to figure out all the possible solutions, pitfalls, successful cases in their particular code base. And then I'll have it give me a list of all the options in order of most likely to succeed to least likely. And then I'll look it over, and unless there's something terribly wrong, I'll usually let the AI go ahead with the first option. And the reason I make it do all that is give it more context, more data, state-of-the-art data of best practices in the industry of that particular type of feature. And then I have it write the reports, because all that is going to be in the prompt when it's coding next. So I fill the context up with very, very relevant data, state-of-the-art relevant data from live searches, and then I let it do the coding. And it seems to work pretty good. Keeps me on top of, I read the reports, always do. It keeps me on top of what code base we're using, what different options we could have used, which ones are the most professional, industry standard. So I know what the fuck is going on too. Alright, I guess I'm going to stop this stream now, and we'll see